Thanks for joining us in another video, and today we are going to be making these Reese's peanut butter cookies. Don't forget to subscribe along the way, and let's start off with our ingredient brands that we will be using. Now we will begin to mix our ingredients together, starting off with our 2 unsalted stick butters. Now that your butter is melted, it's better to do this procedure as quickly as possible. That way it will not ruin the texture of your dough later on. Moving on to our dry ingredients, we are going to be adding 2 1/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda along with a teaspoon of salt, and we're going to mix all of that together. And now we are going to combine our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients and make sure to mix that well until it forms a nice creamy dough just like this. Now we are going to cover this and let this sit in the refrigerator for 15 to 20 minutes. While we let our dough refrigerate, we're going to unwrap these Reese's peanut butter cups just to help prepare to make our cookies. About 15 to 20 minutes later, your dough should have set just like this, and now we can start rolling them into golf-sized balls just like this. And now while we're doing that, we're going to preheat our oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that we have done most of the prep work, we'll begin to put together our cookies. And now we are going to grab a ball of dough and press firmly in the middle to make sure our Reese's peanut butter cup can fit perfectly right in the middle. Press also firmly on that without trying to break the chocolate, and now you place that into your cupcake tray. And it goes all the same with all of your other cookies. Now we will set our cookies in the oven and let that bake for 10 to 12 minutes and watch carefully to make sure you don't overcook them. And here's your final product. Thank you for watching this video on mother and daughter cooking, and we'll see you next time in our next video.